Can you believe it? It takes as many as 15 large, mature coconuts like these just to extract a single small bottle of oil. So why are manufacturers willing to operate entire multi-million-dollar production systems just to obtain a few drops of this so-called liquid gold? From sun-drenched tropical coconut groves, these humble fruits begin a remarkable transformation. Each coconut is carefully selected by hand, washed under high-pressure streams, ground into a fine snow-white pulp, and then pressed under the immense force of steel rollers to release its precious flow of golden oil. But how do producers extract the oil without destroying its valuable fatty acids? And why is the cold-pressed method considered the golden key to both health and beauty? In today's video, we'll take you inside a cutting-edge production line to uncover the journey from coconuts high on the tree to the shimmering oil inside a bottle. Stay with us until the very end, because the zero-waste recycling process revealed later in the video will leave you amazed at the ingenuity of modern industry. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. The unique value of coconut oil. Coconut oil isn't just tropical liquid gold. It's a true superfood, packed with a unique structure of medium-chain fatty acids, MCTs. What really makes it stand out is its high concentration of lauric acid, a clean energy source that helps boost metabolism and is highly valued in both modern medicine and the premium beauty industry. But to get those pure, high-quality drops of oil, everything starts with strict selection at Global Gap certified farms. This step is crucial. It directly determines how pure the oil will be and how well it can compete in the global market. From there, modern processing steps in to carefully preserve all those natural nutrients, transforming a simple coconut into a powerful, health-boosting essence. Coconut harvest, when the grove awakens. As the early morning sunlight filters through the towering palm canopies, farmers begin their careful selection process. Only fully mature coconuts, those with dry brown shells, a firm weight in hand, and a crisp sloshing sound when shaken, are chosen and harvested by hand. This stage is critical, as it determines the highest lipid content in the coconut flesh, the key factor that defines the oil's quality. One by one, clusters of coconuts drop onto the fertile ground, carrying with them the promise of a premium export-grade batch of oil. Soon after, trucks loaded with this white treasure roll swiftly toward modern processing facilities. Here, strict input quality control systems are activated, ensuring that not a single substandard coconut makes its way into the closed-loop production line. Washing and cleaning. The first step of the production line. As soon as the raw coconuts enter the factory, they are immediately handled by a system built with 304 stainless steel and advanced automation. At the feeding hopper, a multi-stage cleaning process kicks off, using ultra-high-pressure spray jets combined with 360-degree rotating brush systems. The ultimate goal here is simple. Remove every trace of bacteria and impurities clinging to the coconut shells, creating the very first hygiene barrier. This is a crucial stage for maintaining a sterile production environment, effectively eliminating any risk of cross-contamination in line with international HACCP standards. Absolute cleanliness at this point becomes the foundation, ensuring that the oil extracted in the next industrial processing stages remains as pure as possible. Dehusking and coconut meat processing. The moment of revelation. At the dehusking workshop, automated machinery equipped with high-strength steel blades operates with remarkable speed, cracking through the tough outer shell in just seconds. This level of precision ensures the coconut meat inside remains perfectly intact, minimizing raw material loss to the lowest possible level. Meanwhile, every bit of the hard shell is fully collected and repurposed for biochar production, optimizing a circular economy model. Next, high-speed slicing machines completely remove the thin brown skin, leaving behind only the pure white coconut flesh at its highest level of cleanliness. This seamless combination of mechanical power and advanced surface processing technology ensures the raw material is fully prepared for fine grinding, eliminating any risk of organic contamination before moving on to the next stage. Grinding coconut meat, turning white flesh into coconut snow. Thousands of pristine white coconut slices are fed into a high-speed hammer mill system. In just moments, intense mechanical impact transforms them into a fine, fluffy coconut snow, completely breaking down the cell walls and releasing billions of microscopic oil pockets, known as lipid bodies, hidden inside. The rich, creamy aroma that fills the air is the first sign that the essence is ready for extraction. But at this stage, natural moisture becomes the true enemy of purity. The coconut snow must go through strict moisture control to reach its ideal physical state. This is a critical transformation step, one that directly determines the maximum oil yield in the high-pressure extraction stages that follow. Drying, a delicate balancing act. The modern fluidized bed drying system takes in the coconut material, using clean air streams filtered through HEPA membranes. This technology creates a suspended state, allowing moisture to evaporate evenly without causing localized overheating. Strict temperature control below 45 degrees Celsius is the key to preserving sensitive fatty acid structures and valuable enzymes, meeting premium extra virgin standards. The technical goal is to reduce moisture content to below 5%, eliminating the risk of oxidation while maintaining the coconut's natural white color. A precisely controlled drying process doesn't just enhance nutritional and medicinal value, it also naturally extends shelf life, setting apart the highest-grade coconut oil products on the market. Raw material quality control, the final checkpoint. Before entering the heart of the factory, the dried coconut must pass a rigorous inspection in a modern laboratory. Technicians carry out random sampling to measure acidity levels and verify absolute purity. Only batches that meet strict standards, milky white in color, completely free of impurities, and with ideal dryness, are allowed to move forward into the pressing stage. This level of strict control ensures that every bottle of finished coconut oil delivers consistent quality, safeguarding the brand's reputation in the marketplace. It also reflects the manufacturer's commitment to excellence, where every technical parameter is carefully verified to eliminate any risk to the final product's quality. 2 production methods, choosing the essence. At this stage, the factory faces a critical decision. Go with traditional hot pressing for higher yield, or choose cold pressing to preserve quality. Cold-pressed extraction keeps temperatures below 49 degrees Celsius, helping retain delicate nutrients like lauric acid and vitamin E, both highly sensitive to heat. This is exactly what gives premium coconut oil its superior value, meeting the strictest standards for purity and therapeutic benefits. Choosing cold-press technology is a clear statement of commitment to consumer health. Even though it comes with higher operating costs, the biological value it delivers, especially for skin and overall wellness, is simply undeniable. Oil extraction. The moment liquid gold emerges, a 316 stainless steel screw press runs at maximum torque, generating mechanical pressure of up to dozens of tons. At the heart of this process is a forced circulation cooling system that keeps the oil flow temperature stable below 42 degrees Celsius. This is a critical parameter to fully preserve the structure of lauric acid, the most valuable component in extra virgin coconut oil. As extraction begins, a stream of pure essence flows out, carrying exceptional clarity along with its naturally rich aroma. The precise phase transition from solid to liquid under controlled compression allows for the maximum release of beneficial bioactive compounds, shaping the product's outstanding therapeutic value. Centrifugation and nanofiltration. Absolute clarity. Crude coconut oil is fed into a high-speed 3-phase centrifuge system. Under forces thousands of times greater than gravity, oil, water, and solid impurities, are instantly separated within seconds. This is a critical step to completely eliminate residual moisture, the true enemy that causes oil oxidation. Following that, the oil flows through a multi-layer nanofiltration system with ultra-fine pores, achieving an exceptional level of purity. At this point, the coconut oil appears crystal clear, shimmering like liquid diamonds without even the slightest cloudiness. This advanced dual filtration process not only enhances visual appeal, but also preserves the full therapeutic value of the final product. Quality inspection, the final screening step. Before bottling, every batch of oil must pass a rigorous quality control system in an ISO-certified laboratory. Experts conduct quantitative analysis based on 5 core indicators: acid value, peroxide value, clarity, flavor, and original color. Any batch that falls outside the permitted technical tolerance is completely rejected to ensure food safety. A key breakthrough lies in the personalized QR code traceability system assigned to each product, allowing consumers to transparently track the journey from farm to shelf. This digital verification process not only reinforces brand credibility, but also builds absolute trust in the global marketplace. Aseptic bottling, preserving the essence. In a sterile environment, an automated precision filling system dispenses the oil into premium glass bottles. Pure nitrogen flushing technology is activated to completely remove oxygen before sealing, effectively preventing oxidation and preserving the product's freshness. At the same time, a high-speed, AI-powered vision system scans each unit, rejecting packaging defects down to the millimeter level. Batches that meet all standards are then automatically labeled, ready for international distribution. This closed-loop production line represents the final link, safeguarding the full biological essence of the coconut before it reaches consumers around the world. Byproduct recycling, a sustainable zero-waste model. The most remarkable part comes at the end of the production line. Nothing goes to waste. Hard coconut shells are carbonized in sealed furnaces to produce high-grade activated charcoal for water filtration. Coconut fibers are woven into biodegradable mats that help prevent soil erosion, while the pressed coconut residue is repurposed as protein-rich animal feed. This is a perfect example of a circular economy, where natural resources are utilized with both intelligence and respect. The process not only generates profit but also contributes to protecting our planet for future generations. As one product life cycle comes to an end, it simultaneously opens the door to new environmental value. The message behind the story. The journey from 15 raw coconuts to a single small bottle of oil stands as a powerful testament to the precision, dedication, and progress made possible by million-dollar technology. Now, when you hold this product in your hands, you are not simply holding a bottle of oil. You are holding the result of an entire process built on innovation, expertise, and respect for the environment. In fact, what you are holding is the true fusion of advanced technology and environmental responsibility. So what do you think? Is the price of cold-pressed oil truly worth its value, or do you still prefer traditional handmade methods? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective and discuss it together. And don't forget to hit like if you appreciate the hard work of the farmers and engineers featured in this video.